Kick is a physical strike using the leg, in unison usually with an area of the knee or lower using the foot, heel, tibia, shin, ball of the foot, blade of the foot, toes or knee. The latter is also known as a butt kick. Squat is a strength exercise in which the trainee lowers their hips from a standing position and then stands back up. During the descent of a squat, the hip and knee joints flex while the ankle joint dorsiflexes. Conversely, the hip and knee joints extend and the ankle joint plantar flexes when standing up. Watch edit. A bent over row or barbell row is a weight training exercise that targets a variety of back muscles. Which ones are targeted varies on form. The bent over row is often used for both bodybuilding and powerlifting.
You just always been a type to rush that. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me.
Stretching is a form of physical exercise in which a specific muscle or tendon or muscle group is deliberately flexed or stretched in order to improve the muscle's felt elasticity and achieve comfortable muscle tone. The result is a feeling of increased muscle control, flexibility, and range of motion. Stretching is also used therapeutically to alleviate cramps and to improve function in daily activities by increasing range of motion.
You just always been a type that can't wait. You just always been a type that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me?
Plank, also called a front hold, hover, or abdominal bridge, is an isometric core strength exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up for the maximum possible time.
You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you.
Burpee, a squat thrust with an additional stand between repetitions, is a full-body exercise used in strength training. The movement itself is primarily an anaerobic exercise, but when done in succession over a longer period can be utilized